Well, there's just a quickie on the old avocado here. So obviously we know we all eat these sort of different times of the year, and then you slice it open, you get the central stone or pip or whatever you want to call it. So you take that out of there, give it a wash, and then you can grow your own avocado. I mean, this is just in a glass of water, nothing posh, and it's been in here for about 2 weeks. I'll just lift it out, and look at that, there's the root growing away nicely. So that will need to get potted on shortly. I've got another one in here, but hasn't started yet, but it's started to crack open there. So I expect something will be happening with that fairly shortly. So just keep an eye on that. So it goes from a fruit we eat, you take out the seed, you put it in a glass of water and leave it in there for about 2 weeks, just on the windowsill, and it starts to grow. And from then we'll pot it on. Thanks very much for watching.